Let me introduce Schneider Charge Pro, the EV charger from home to the road in just 60 seconds. This EV charger is designed to support companies as they electrify their fleets with fleet-at-home charging for their employees. The solution simplifies the experience from user-friendly hardware that installs quickly to open system software that simplifies the reimbursement process. But there is more. Charge Pro also serves multifamily homes with straightforward billing and a real-time load management, making charging convenient for residents and building operators. The launch of Schneider Charge Pro is complemented by two new products for a complete e-mobility solution. Designed for multifamily homes, EVCE Lite supports condominium owners manage power loads and avoid power disruptions, and a brand new cloud-based commissioning tool that enables pre-commissioning off-site and a faster commissioning on-site with one mobile app. That's a Schneider Charge Pro in 60 seconds, from home to the road.